Hi everyone, this is Luke with Zip Scanners, where we make scanning easy. Today we're going to do an intro to the new Remtronix onset antenna, the REM830B. So the unique thing about this is this elbow bend, which is something that the other Remtronix antennas do not have. So it's the BNC Connector. It's a great antenna. You can see the other two Remtronix antennas that are really popular, the BNC and the SMA. Besides that, the older Remtronix antennas are exactly the same. So you can see they're a little bit longer. We'll get the tape measure. All right, now that we have them out of the packaging here, you can see. So the elbow is the new one that we're taking a look at. These are the other two. As you can see, it's just a little bit longer here than these older ones. Now we'll show you the Remtronix antenna on the three most popular base police scanners out there. So we have the Whistler TRX2, the Uniden SDS200, and the Uniden HomePatrol-2. So the scanner works, or this antenna works on all three of them. So we'll show you how this fits on there. All the base models have the BNC connector, so it simply just goes on the back here. So if you're using this at home and you don't want to put a big antenna on your roof, you can just screw this in. So it works pretty slick. So same thing with these, just slides right in. We'll show you on the SDS200 since this is the most popular base police scanner. This simply slides in. So the one caveat, this elbow antenna is great here. Obviously you don't want to straight. The HomePatrol-2, which is kind of being phased out, we don't sell too many anymore, does have the SMA input. So you can just get a simple SMA to BNC adapter. And it screws into the SMA. So it adds a little bit, but not too much. So that's it. We just want to show you a quick little overview of the new Remtronix REM830B. It's the elbow antenna. If you're buying a phase 2 digital base police scanner, you might as well buy one of these. We expect them to be pretty popular. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us. We are at 737-777-9876, or check us out at zipscanners.com, where we make scanning easy, where we're open 7 days a week and provide lifetime technical support from experts like me. All right, thank you.